Hello friends, for tomato cultivation with a chemist. So this is my kitchen garden and today we will see the reuse of some old plastic bottles and how I'm going to use them for growing some delicious tomatoes. So I have picked some 8-inch planters and these are the small bottles. Sometimes it is an obligation to pick them or we need it, so but where to decompose it? So I found this a fruitful way. The big one I have placed in the middle of the planter, and the smaller one I have tried to keep on the outer side of the wall of the container. I have already filled it with some good composted soil. During lockdown, I am getting some time to invest in my hobby, and this experiment I am doing for the first time. Like I have read about it many times and I have seen other videos also that in this way we can reuse it, but I'm doing it for the very first time. So I think tomato plant needs two basic things. The first one is proper sunlight, and the secondly good water source. And last time also I have grown, but I could hardly get 2 3 tomatoes from a plant, so it was a totally wastage of inputs. I have grown some healthy plants from the tomatoes which I brought from the vegetable market. So this is a very healthy grown plant. So I'm putting it in this container. And the next thing about tomatoes, while replanting them, we have to be careful to cover the stem properly with soil because it not only gives support to the plant, also it helps to get proper nutrition to the plant. So it is going to help in getting good yield. I'm keeping this container a bit empty because I think as the plant will grow, I will need to add more soil. So I will do that later on when the small plants grow up. So I don't know which variety of tomato I have using, but these were the tasty one which I found that I should try. So you can also use any one of the one you get from the grocery shop. Yes, so this part is over. Now I am going to put some water in it and I'm going to place them in the proper place. Like the center of my lawn, I have selected this time to grow it. So here I'm going to place them because there they are going to get good sunlight and it will be easy to keep and watch also because tomato plant grows like it grows in any direction. You need to give it proper support. You need to tie it properly, and if it is in the other areas, if it is in shadow or under some other plants, the chances of getting infected are higher. I don't know how fruitful these efforts are going to be. Yeah, this one is the very healthy plant I could get this time, so I'm hopeful to get at least a dozen of tomatoes. I don't know how many they are going to produce. Yes, so in this way I have used these plastic bottles and I have placed these pots around the centerpiece of my lawn. So this is my normal kitchen lawn, but I am accommodating the kitchen garden with it. You can see in the back side there are the Loki and Tories bottle guards whales are there. Yeah, hopefully this time the purpose will solve. So do join me to see the results in the next videos. Thank you for watching.